Really impressed with the Samsung normal power bank that I have that's 10,000 milliamp. And this one has a wireless charger on it. Went on sale on Amazon for $29, so I was like, I'll pick it up. I bought a lot of different power banks, and I have a USB tester that you just plug into USB and it'll test anything that goes through it. And with most of them, they say, oh, I'm 26,000 milliamps, and it turns out they're only 8. And then I had one that said it was 50,000, and it was only 10. So I just kept returning them, but I already had a Samsung one that I got with buying my phone or something like that. And when it says 10,000, it was really 10,000. And every now and then it would do 9,000, 8,000. But it's always way up there compared to it saying it was 50 and it was 10. So I went ahead and bought this one because I'm tired of all the off brands and the ones that just aren't doing what they're supposed to do. Comes in a really nice box. Again, this was from Amazon for $29. Has a little hanger if it was in the store. Sorry, I don't have my tripod, so this is what I'm stuck with. Holding my phone. If you guys want to read anything, screenshot it, go back to it. Charges 2 devices at once, which is pretty cool to me. This is also the only knife I have. I am cutting the box open. I even cut the box. That thing was sharp. There we go. Nothing else in the box. I'm going to put my cover back on my knife. It's pretty heavy. God dang it. As soon as I put that back on, of course, there's something else I gotta cut open. Box inside a box inside a box. There we go. There's a quick start guide. I'm going to put the device itself to the side, and it is super heavy compared to my other one. Looks like it's coming with a ribbon cable style USB-C. Little shorty. That's nice. Pretty firm. A little bit rubbery. I think if it got warm, it'd probably be a little bit sticky. That's all for that stuff. Quick start guide. I can put my cover back on my knife. I think. Quick start guide, which should say just plug it in. Again, if you guys want to read this, I'm going to go over it. Screenshot it. Go back into it. Wireless charging, charging coil, battery level, indicator light, charging port, charging the battery. It doesn't really say anything about how much remaining battery power. 4 indicator lights, 2, 1. One indicator is blinking. Kind of works just like my old one. That's kind of nice. Make sure it focuses on there for you guys. And then just, the wireless charging. Safety information, how to recycle, and then most likely in Spanish. Yep, Spanish. So here's the device itself. It's a bit heavier. Definitely heavy. So it's got like a kind of grip texture, but something that would slide off. Still has the grip right there, but this out here is kind of slippery. That side of it looks the same as my old one, which is nice. The bottom of it probably isn't going to give a date. See if it can focus on there for you guys. There we go. 10,000 milliamp hours. And then the top we have a USB that's black, which normally means it's just a 2.0. We'll test that later. And then the input, and then It comes with 3. Now I'm going to completely kill it at first. I'm going to put my phone on it, even though my phone is doing the actual recording, and it should start charging. Yep. Started charging. It shuts a light off, or it turns on a red light where that one was doing all funky colors. I'm going to pull it off real quick and see if we can get it. Yep, right there's the red light. My phone just said it's done charging. That shut off. Let's see if I can put it on there without pushing the button, and if it kicks on and starts charging. And it does. So does that mean them coils are always active, or... Now I'm going to go get a charger real quick. Should have been prepared, but I wasn't. Okay, here's my tester. It tests what goes out. And then this is a plugged in cord to that. That was the last one I tested. That was a 26,000 milliamp. It was only 9,800. Hold that reset button. It's putting out a good 5 volt. We're going to plug it into a switch. It's charging the switch at 0.8. Let's push there. Now it's on the main screen. It's charging at 0.8. Should be charging at the bottom left there. It should be charging at a 1.4. The amp hour out is 2 amps, 1.6 amps, and 1.2 amps if it is 12 volt, which don't even make sense because it's 5 volt. It also lowered it below 5 volt, which is kind of concerning. Now I'm going to put this on the charge and see if the wireless charger charges at the same time like it says. Must have to hit a button to kick it on after that. Okay, it's wirelessly charging my phone. It's kind of dark for you guys. It also reset everything. It kicked it back on and now it's at a 0.9, which is nice. I'm going to put it back on there and see if it... So it kept its memory. Every time you put it on here, it shuts off the whole circuit. So it like reboots everything and then it's fine. And it's rebooting again. See what it goes up to this time, 1.1. But after a couple of uses, maybe it'll go up to the 1.4. That is fast charging. Anything over 1 amp, for some reason, out of these power banks is fast charging, at least for my phone. You would think once you get to 2 amps, it'd be really, really fast charging, but it feels the same. There we go. That's a review, opening box, whatever on it. Thanks for watching.